no fire, no mold needed. Mix and it's ready. Let's start by adding 200 g cream, 200 milliliters milk, 395 g condensed milk and mix well. Next, add 6 tablespoons of powdered milk and give it a quick stir. Add a packet of hydrated unflavored gelatin. After mixing, pour everything into a milk carton cut open at the top. For firmness, I'll wrap the whole carton in plastic wrap. Then refrigerate until it thickens. Check out how amazing this dessert looks. Now just sprinkle some powdered milk on top. That's it. Now slice and enjoy. Look how mouth-watering this dessert is. Hope you like this recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.